Hi, I am Gaurav from Bscoin. Today in this video we will learn that if you want to write your article, blog or want to create your place in the world of internet with Bscoin, then you can do it with our blog space tool. Simply visit www.bscoin.in and click on register at blog space option. On clicking the blog space option, you will get redirected to our blog space page. Here simply you have to fill all the data like your name, your email ID, your mobile number, alternate mobile number if you want to do, or you can put the same number. Here you can upload your certificate or license if you want to create blog related to something professional things like doctor, chartered accountant or any other professional which requires a certificate or a license, and then simply click on the submit form option. After clicking on the submit form option, we will verify your form and we will create a user ID and password for you and send it to you over your registered email ID within 24 hours. After you have received your login ID and password, simply click here, click this option, click here to login, and here you will come to the admin panel option. In the admin panel option, kindly enter your detail. For example, I am entering here a test email ID and password and click on the sign in option. After sign in, you will get following options of tags, add blog, view blog. You have to simply click on the add blog option. Here you can select category and here enter the page title which you want to create blog for. Enter your keywords, description, title, your name over here. Here you can enter the tags. Here you have to choose the image which is relevant to your blog post you are publishing. Here write a short description about your blog. Try to keep this attractive so that people can visit your link to read your entire article. Here enter the full blog or write down the full blog or article and then simply click on the submit option. That's it, and your blog will be published and you can see all your blogs over here which you have written. You can also edit your blog from here, and all your blog or articles which you have written will be available in Bscoin search option. People can search your article and read it at Bscoin search. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video, and do try Bscoin register at Bscoin blog space and write your article or blog and let people explore your articles and blog with Bscoin. Thank you.